Hey everyone, wanted to walk you through lead management in Ressio and how that works. Ressio is going to have some light CRM functionalities in it. Keep in mind, you can always pair this with something like a HubSpot or another CRM platform to get an even more robust process. But with Ressio today, what we're going to see is in your company features and settings, there's a lead form section here. This is going to have some code to embed in your company's website. That way we can have a lead form similar to this appear on your website page. So I'm going to jump on over here to a lead form we made for ABC Construction. All that will happen is when a new lead or potential customer prospect comes into your company website, they're going to click on your contact form. I already pre-filled this out, but they will come in here and they will fill out their information accordingly. And this is information that will generate into Ressio. So first and last name, contact information for email and phone number, and then any type of project description details they want to include here. Once we submit this will push into your Ressio environment. You will also get an email notification that you now have a new prospect. So let's go take a peek at that. So coming back into Ressio, these leads that are getting captured through the contact form are going to live in the prospect section of your all projects. So again, you'll get an email notification. I'm going to just go ahead and I know the name of this. I'm going to search for it. So it's going to pull in the last name from that contact form. Mine was just 123 testing, so I could find it. And it's actually going to create a prospect project here in Ressio. All of that information from that contact form that we filled out, that's going to be located in this project's project settings. So we'll have the name. You can come in here and readjust this. We'll eventually want to fill out the address and some more details about the project as we gather that information. But then you also have this prospect section for more detailed sales information. So this is a new prospect. I might come in here and want to adjust the urgency or priority of it. Based on additional information I know. We can see the created date, eventually update some more of these fields. I might come in here and want to assign this out to somebody on my team. I can certainly do that. It's going to say where the lead came from. And then again, you can add in some additional information here if needed. So that's how we're going to capture leads into Ressio through the website lead capture form. Keep in mind, you can always come into your Ressio account, go to your projects and manually add a brand new prospect, but either or works. As far as what we can do with our prospects once they're in Ressio, you have a lot of flexibility here. So with the Ressio system, no matter what stage a project is at, whether it's prospect, active, warranty, or archived, you're still going to have all the project features and functionalities located over here on the left. Typically, folks that are still on that prospect stage, you might find yourself uploading files, going through to-do lists, perhaps even coming in here and starting to estimate and build up some financials. So a lot of flexibility in here. And then eventually what will happen is hopefully they sign on to come on board as a customer of yours, and you'll simply just come into the project settings general info and update from prospect into the next stage. I hope all that information was helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to me or the Ressio customer success team. Thanks so much.